Good morning all of you. This is the third video of lesson 5, class 5 science. The name of the chapter is our nervous system. So in the last video we read that our brain is having three parts: cerebellum, cerebellum and brainstem. Next, in the nervous system only there are three parts. First one is brain, second one is spinal cord, and third one is nerves. So till spinal cord we have read or we have discussed in the last video. Now in this video we will be reading about our nerves. So what happen is that in our body there is, from top to bottom, we are having a network. Network means crisscross of nerves. These network are sending messages to our brain, and from there the messages are being sent to our body part. Now let me show you three activities. This is a knife. If someone is hitting you with a knife, like I am hitting myself with the knife, see the position, I am hitting myself with the knife, but if I am hitting it, the right hand is turning back. So there is a network that tell from here to my brain, a network is going from here to this place, and then this brain is sending messages to my right hand to move back. Or suppose I am having one tablet of Hajmola. If I am eating, suppose I am eating, then what will happen? After 1 minute or after half minute, what I'll do, because this is very much sour. So my tongue has sent the message to the brain that this tablet is not sweet, it is sour. And from there the whole face is giving the impression of like this. So that is done through the nerves. So this nerves, all these from our body, these consist of nervous system. So there are three kinds of nerves in our body. First one is sensory nerves. So sensory nerves will be like the message, if there is a fly sitting over here, the message is going from here to the brain. This will be the sensory one. Then from the sensory, from the brain, the reaction has to come. The reaction is move your hand. Okay, if a fly is sitting here, either we will just slap it, or we will just do it like this, rub our hand, or we will just move our hand. So what will we do? The message will come from brain to our body part through the motor nerves. Okay, so sensory nerves, they are bringing the messages from the sense organs to the brain, that is from the hand, from the skin, from the tongue, from the nose to our brain. If our nose is smelling something foul, what we do? We just close our nose. But that message is going from the nose to the brain, that okay, this is not smelling good. From the brain, our hand is getting the message to close our nose, that okay, if you close the nose, you will not be smelling badly. So these two types of nerves, sensory nerves, they are bringing messages from the sense organs to the brain, and the motor nerves will be opposite of it. They are carrying the messages. They are carrying the messages from the brain to my hand to do the activity. That is, they are carrying the messages from the brain to the other body parts. Then the third type of nerves will be mixed nerve, which are doing both the work of sensory nerves and the motor nerves. Okay. So the next topic in our body, in this chapter, is the actions of the body. Okay. So what happen is, most of the time we are doing some work. Like now, I am speaking, my hands are moving, I am standing, okay. But after this, some of the other work also that is being done now, that is beating of the heart. Whatever food I have eaten, digestion of this. Okay. Flow of the blood in our body. So these actions, they can be termed under two categories. One is voluntary, other is involuntary. So voluntary actions will be which we do out of our will. That is, suppose I am cutting something. Okay, this pipe is there, I am cutting it. This is voluntary. I am folding it. This is voluntary. It's up to me whether I want, I can do. I don't want, I am not. Or eating food. Eating food. That is taking the food from the plate to the mouth. That is voluntary action. That is eating the food, that depends on our will. Then sleeping. If we want, you can. If we want, then we can prolong our sleep. If we want, we can be rising later. Then there is another one, that is involuntary action. Like I told you, when I have eaten the food, when I have swallowed the food, the digestion of food will be involuntary. That is, it is without our will. Whether we are willing or we are not willing, that is not under our control. So those kind of actions will be involuntary action. So these are the examples, that is beating of the heart and the digestion of the food. Next definition in this topic will be the reflex action. Reflex action is any action that is spontaneous. Like I am doing with this knife, I am putting on my hand. This is the action I am doing, but this is the reaction. This is the action, this is the reaction. So this will be the reflex action. Okay. Now after this you will be reading about the sensory organs in the next video. Thank you. You may write from this board, as well as we will upload the same in the parents portal. You can write from there also. I hope all the words are clear. The same will also be uploaded from the parents portal. From anywhere you can write, from here also as well as from the parents portal.